Hello everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and informative product reviews. Today, we have something special for those looking to kickstart their fitness journey. We're going to dive deep into the world of jump ropes and introduce you to the best jump rope for beginners available in the market. Whether you're new to working out or a seasoned fitness enthusiast, this jump rope has something for everyone. So, stick around as we explore its features, benefits, and why it's a must-have addition to your fitness routine. Let's jump right into it. Pun intended. Our star product today is the Jump Rope Tangle-Free Rapid Speed Jumping Rope Cable with ball bearings for women, men, and kids. Adjustable steel jump rope workout with foam handles for fitness, home exercise and slim body, by Loocio. This jump rope has been making waves in the fitness world, and it's not hard to see why. It's designed to provide an exceptional jumping experience, and it's ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. Now, let's talk about what sets this jump rope apart from the rest. This jump rope is built to last. It features steel wires coated with strong PVC material, ensuring it can withstand the test of time, even with regular use. Thanks to high-quality ball bearings, this rope offers a tangle-free experience. No more frustrating interruptions during your workout. It glides smoothly every time. One size fits all. You can customize the length to suit your needs, making it perfect for everyone in the family, from kids to adults. The handles are designed with your comfort and safety in mind. Covered with soft sponges, they provide a comfortable grip, while their non-slip and moisture-wicking features keep your palms dry. Regardless of your fitness level, anyone can benefit from this jump rope. Whether your goal is to strengthen your body, lose weight, or increase stamina, it's a versatile tool that delivers results. It's easy to carry with you wherever you go. Just put it in your pocket, and you're ready to jump rope for a quick workout anytime, anywhere. Now, you might be wondering why we're calling this the best jump rope for beginners. Well, here's why. The adjustable length means that it can cater to users of all heights and skill levels. The tangle-free design ensures that beginners won't get frustrated with interruptions in their workout. The comfortable foam handles make it easy to grip, even for those who are new to jumping rope. It's a low-impact exercise that's perfect for people just starting their fitness journey, helping to improve coordination and agility without excessive strain on your joints. But don't just take our word for it. This jump rope has received rave reviews from users worldwide. With over 14,000 ratings and an impressive 4.5-star average, it's clear that customers are loving it. People are praising its durability, ease of use, and the positive impact it's had on their fitness routines. And remember, we always encourage you to check out user reviews before making a purchase decision. In conclusion, the Jump Rope Tangle-Free Rapid Speed Jumping Rope Cable with ball bearings for women, men, and kids by Loocio is undoubtedly the best jump rope for beginners available today. Its durable construction, tangle-free design, and user-friendly features make it a standout choice for anyone looking to enhance their fitness routine. So, whether you're aiming to shed some pounds, increase your stamina, or simply have fun while exercising, this jump rope has got you covered. It's an investment in your health and fitness that you won't regret. That's it for today's review, folks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this jump rope, please leave a comment down below. We love hearing from our viewers. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.